bought this MotoHorn, and now I'm going to show you the simple way to install it on your motorcycle. I am going to use the existing horn assembly on the side of the motorcycle to attach this and show you how it works with a simple attachment. MotoTrack dual horn system. They have another one, but this is the one I bought. It comes in black or it comes in chrome. And what I'm going to show you first is what comes in the box. You get 2 nuts and bolts, and this is for if you want to mount it on the front frame and behind your tire. And then you have the 2 horns. Here's your 2 horns. And you see they're chrome. You have brackets here. There's a little nut back here that you can loosen, and this will turn 360 degrees. I have them set right now to mount on my motorcycle. And you also get 2 V-wire connectors, which makes it real simple to attach this to the existing horn. The existing horn assembly is right here, and first off I'm going to show you real quick the sound. I've already loosened this nut up so I can take it off real quick. But all you have to do is, mine is a 1/2 inch. So I have a 1/2 inch socket that I use to take it off with. And then you just drop it down. As you can see on the bottom side, here is your existing horn connectors. And with this system, it does not matter which is negative and positive. It works both directions. So once you get this hooked up, you can put it either side. So you take this horn and you take one of your V's and you put it, one connector on here, and then you take the other one on this side. Then you take these 2 and you connect the other horn. So you have to have a closed circuit. So this way, once we hook it up to this horn, you'll have a closed circuit between all 3 horns. And put the connector there. You have your horns all hooked up. So then this one, we're going to hook up and put right here. You slide it right underneath the connector and it goes right in, and you want to slide it in, get it as tight as possible so it stays. And then the other one goes on the other side. And just slide it underneath there. It goes in as far as you can get it so that it stays. Okay, now all 3 horns are hooked up. You've closed the circuit, and you have a horn that is at least 4 times louder than what your existing horn is, and they should be able to hear it now. Even if they got their music going, they should be able to hear it. Now I'm going to hit the horn again, and it's going to be loud. These 2 horns I've got set. They're going to go right up here, and one will be on this side, one will be on that side. Then the existing horn will come up through the center, and it will hook right there. And you'll take care of your wires, but this is where your existing horns will be, all 3 together. And my eye, it looks real good because they're all chrome, they're all stacked together. And I'll just do a finger tight so you can see what my assembly will look like when it's finished. And these wires, you want to take and protect your wires. But there you have your simple installation of the MotoHorn on the trike. Thank you, and have a great day.